Big gang, what it do? Big Koko back outside, and if you wonder where I've been in the gym. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to jump right on into this video because I wanted to show y'all what I be doing. And this is a 10-minute full body workout. And so first we're going to start with the squat toss with the 10-pound medicine ball. All right, the benefits of the medicine ball squat throw is ideal for strengthening your glutes and your thigh muscles as well as your chest and your arms, while the fast movements will get your heart and lungs going too, giving you a great cardio workout. All right, next we're going to jump into the prowler sled push and pull. The sled push is a functional full body exercise that targets your quads, your glutes, your hip flexors, your calves, your hamstrings, core, triceps, chest, and shoulders. The sled push and pull is an excellent exercise for overall conditioning, strength development, improving your speed and acceleration, and burning calories effectively. And you can use this to finish your leg workout or make it part of a full body circuit like what I'm doing in this video. And you can also notice that like when I was pushing the sled, I was more focused on lunging than anything because I'm more focused right now on like toning up my legs, like get them strong legs. You know, I'll be holding them big glizzies or whatever, you feel me? All right, y'all, so next we're going to get into the torso twist. This exercise involves twisting your torso while holding a weight, which helps to target your abs and obliques. And in place of a normal weight, I like to use the risers from the aerobic step board, and each riser weighs about like 5 pounds. And for me, the torso twist is one of the most effective exercises to increase core strength and improve spinal mobility. Due to the slow and controlled movements, this exercise will challenge you to hone in on your mind-body connection, body control, and coordination. Right now, I'm using 8 risers on each side, building up resistance to work my way to 20. And no cap, building resistance is definitely a major key in tracking your progress, especially for me because I'm more focused on toning my body and feeling good, not so much to lose weight. So I'm going to do these 3 different exercises 5 times in a row, non-stop, which will typically take me like 10 minutes if I keep my pace consistent, and 15 minutes if I need a break in between one full circuit. If you're a beginner at working out, I would start with doing these 3 different exercises 3 times in a row, but taking a 30-second break after each full circuit to prevent injury. And once your body builds up the muscle memory and strength necessary to perform this exercise efficiently, then I will remove the break period and practice to master 3 times in a row non-stop and work your way to mastering the 5 times in a row non-stop for a complete 10-minute full body workout that gets your day started or to end your night. Your choice, boo. And I put that on gang. Big gang. You feel me? The choice is yours, big gang. You feel me? But yeah, big gang. So I am going to do a 5 superset circuit. Before I even started this workout, I already warmed up in the sauna. I did my stretches and everything. I like to do the sauna before I work out. And then I like to do like a 20 or 30 minute cardio on the machine or running outside. Just something like to get my blood flowing before I even like jump into like these workouts. You know what I'm saying? Like my little circuits or whatever. So, yeah, I did the Stairmaster for 30 minutes. After I did the sauna, and then after this workout, I also jumped into the sauna again to stretch again. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I love the sauna. I love to do the sauna before and after my workouts. And I also like to do like a 20 to 30 minute, like I said, cardiovascular exercise, which is typically the Stairmaster, or like sometimes I'll even do the push-pull for 20-30 minutes, like straight through, and that'll be like my cardio, or running outside. So gotta get that blood going, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to be toned up for 2024. But big gang, let me know in the comments if y'all want to see more workout tips on my channel. You know, like, one of the things that I do like to do in my personal life is I love working out. So I don't really mind throwing these videos out there as long as y'all want to see them. Just let me know, big gang. And we outside. Oh, I hope y'all enjoyed my little working out video. You feel me? And I hope I helped somebody out there that's, whether you was like thinking about working out or trying to get into it. Like, this workout, you can literally go to pull up to your gym in 10 minutes. Go do it straight through, get it done, you feel me? And it's over. And then that'll like get you pumped and started to like be on a workout journey, you feel me? Like, working out is like really one of my passions, y'all. So I'm gonna catch you on my next video. We outside.
I'm in the making shit shake. And tryna live like when I wake up every day look like a big piece of cake. Look like a drip on a Drake. Big boss shit, big bringing me money on plate. Real big old boss meeting, big cost for a date. Mine at a minimum haters head. You can get hate from my head. Don't hate this too. Let his hand is around me some blow. That right on all the smoke. Big bitches all in there. Promoters in your set. Yeah, big book me for a dime beat. And I'm smoking up, turn to that bitch. I'ma leave with that gang. I'm spinning your clock as fuck. I'm in the making shit happen. I'm in the making shit shake. And tryna live like when I wake up every day look like a big piece of cake. I'm in the making shit happen. I'm in the making shit shake. And tryna live like when I wake up every day look like a big piece of cake. I'm in the making shit happen.